Hello everyone and welcome back to our page. Today we're back with another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your own wall-mounted marker holder. Let's start with the material you'll need for this project. A button hand torch, a marker, a pair of scissors, a roll of black yarn, an old fruit knife, an old cutter blade, an empty tube of effervescent multivitamin tablets, liquid glue, a champagne cork, a plastic pipe clip, two old fridge magnets, and a hot glue gun. First we turn on the button hand torch, then we heat up the tip of the cutter blade using the flame. After that, we cut off a few centimeters from the top of the effervescent tablet tube. Then we heat the cutter again and cut the plastic part of the pipe clip. Using the hot glue gun, we completely wrap the effervescent tube with the black yarn. Of course, you can use any type of covering you like. Next, using the fruit knife, we remove the magnets from the back of the fridge magnets. Then with hot glue, we attach one of the magnets to the back of the pipe clip. After a few minutes, when it dries completely, we use scissors to trim the excess parts. We separate the cork part of the champagne stopper from its metal part. Then we insert the bottom of the effervescent tube into the metal piece. Wrap the ring around it a few times to tighten it in place. And with a bit of pressure, insert the pipe clip inside the tube. Now we apply hot glue to the back side of the second magnet and stick it to the spot where we want to mount the holder. We straighten it, press it for a moment, and wait until it fully dries. Then we attach the two pieces together from the magnet side so they lock onto each other. And our holder is ready. It's portable too. You can install another magnet anywhere in your home and easily move and attach the holder wherever you want. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, make sure to hit the like button, follow our page to support us, and turn on the notifications. We're also looking forward to your comments below. See you in the next video. Take care.